Good day, I'm Maile Matsiba. Welcome back to our channel. Today we continue with our 2017 study guide. We're looking at example 2.9.2. It says an absolute pressure gauge shows a reading of 1 kilogram force per centimeter squared. The question is, what is the pressure? Now, the most straightforward or easier way of approaching this is that we can just assume 1 kilogram force equals to 1 by G newtons, and that equals to 1 by 9.807 newtons. Can I just write here that G equals to 9.807 meters per second squared. Remember that G is our gravitational constant, and because this is a kilogram force, it means it's a force that vertically is a downward force. It's a force as a result of the gravity. So that's why we have our gravitational constant here, our 9.807 meters per second squared. Now that means our 1 kilogram force would be 9.807 newtons. So that is actually a 1 kilogram force. Now the question says, what is the pressure? We can continue to say P equals to 1 kilogram force per centimeter squared. So that is what we are given. Now we need to know what this is, so we can continue to say this. We have calculated it. It's 9.807 newtons all over 1 centimeter squared, or just a centimeter squared. Now doing the conversions, we need to convert the centimeter squared into meter squared, so we can have newton per meter squared, which is our pascals. So we will continue further to say 100 centimeters all over 1 meter all squared. Well, this is our high school method of converting something that has a square in it. So this is equal to this, so it's actually 1. When you square it, it's just like square multiplying all through by 1, so it's nothing big. Let me just write here that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So now this equals to 9.807 newtons. As I do it step by step, all over 1 centimeter squared multiplied by 10,000 centimeters squared all over 1 meter squared. Now this gives us, when you multiply this, okay, the centimeter squares will fall off. When you multiply this and this, we have 98070 newtons all over or per meter squared. Now we know that newton per meter squared is actually pascals, so we can actually rewrite this as 98070 pascals. Now to make it easy, we can actually divide by 1000 and put a k here and call it kilopascals. So it's equals to 98.07 kilopascals. That's when you divide by 1000. Let me just say divide by 1000. So that is actually our final answer. It's actually 98.070 kilopascals. So that is actually the pressure that they're asking here. So thank you for your time. I hope we meet again in our next video.